Are you sitting on skills that could be making you real money online? Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn your talent into cash, starting from home.
First, list your skills. Can you write, edit videos, do graphic design, teach something? Even simple skills like typing, customer support, or social media posting have huge demand online. Next, pick platforms where your skill pays. For writing, Upwork, Fiverr, iWriter for graphics, Canva, 99 Designs for teaching, Udemy, Skillshare for simple tasks, Freelancer, People per hour. Choose one platform and set up a clean, professional profile. No clients yet? No problem. Create 3 to 5 sample works that show what you can do. If you're a beginner, make demo projects, redesign logos, rewrite sample texts, or record short tutorials. Start with an attractive, low-risk offer to get your first clients. Example, I will design 3 logo concepts for $10. I will edit 1 short video for $5, deliver quality, collect reviews, and raise your prices later. Now promote your gig. Share your work on Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Reddit, TikTok, Instagram. The more visibility, the more clients. Always deliver on time, communicate clearly, over-deliver whenever possible. Once orders increase, raise your prices, create bundles, automate using templates, and outsource smaller tasks to earn more while working less. Remember, your skills are a valuable asset. Turn them into income, build your online presence, and watch your earning potential grow.